Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So, to get started you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it you could use a paperclip, chain on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which we do need to take off case of our device. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone right here. So push the pin in. You can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray we actually have also space for an SD card, so I'm going to grab one. Now on the top side we only have space for a SIM card. So this is a dedicated spot just for SIM. When placing it, make sure it's clipped in correctly. There is a little retention bracket right here. Come on, just don't pop out. Okay, so this retention bracket is kind of bad, but we'll try to deal with it. Anyway, next you can grab your SD card. Same, there's a retention bracket, just clip in place. These cards shouldn't be falling out of the tray if you flip them over, though the bracket for SIM card is kind of wonky, so the card just kind of pops out sometimes. But anyway, next we're just gonna insert it back into our device. And you can see that the card immediately starts working. It's prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin to unlock it. And if I go into notifications, there was a pop-up. Where is it? I literally just seen, oh there we go, it's right at the top. So Samsung SD card. So it is detecting the SD card as well. So anyway, that's basically how you insert your cards, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.